Hello guys, welcome back again to a new video. So many of you were having issues and you are not able to deploy bot. So I have created a new website where you can deploy a WhatsApp bot for completely free of cost. Zero cost, easy method. So first of all, you have to dive into this website whose link you will get into the description box. Here you can deploy bot which works 24/7 and there is no chance of ban your account. It is 100% safe. So first of all, you need to sign up here. If you are a new user, sign up with your Gmail and then verify and login. Then you will be landed on the dashboard of the website. When you are a new user, you will get 20 free coins. So go to my bot section and click on add new bot. Here you can select paid or free plan, depends on whatever you feature like. So for now, click on start for free. Here you need your session ID, and if you have any issue then you can click need help button and see all the steps. Then click on get session ID and here put your number and copy code and link it with WhatsApp. After linking it to WhatsApp, you will receive a session ID in your own chat. Copy it and paste it in the website in session receive text area. And give any bot name and paste the owner number, same phone number on which you added bot. And server will be by default auto selected, so don't change it. Then click on deploy and it will take 5 to 10 seconds to deploy the bot. Sometimes the status here you will see as stopped, so simply click on sync or refresh the page. It will start automatically. When you see status is running, go to 3 dots and go to console section. Here you can see your bot logs. As you see, our bot is connected and ready to receive message. Now to test it, simply go to WhatsApp and open any chat and type .ping or .alive to test the bot, and you can see the bot is working smoothly and fast response, and your logs will be visible in console in web. And to see complete bot menu, type .menu and here is the list of bot commands. So see how simple it is. Similarly, you can also deploy it for free and save your time. You can also extend your bot time by referring users with your link. When someone sign up with your link, you will get coins and use them to extend time. Apart from that, you can select the premium plan too if you don't wanna waste time on referrals. So definitely check out the website and do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, see you in the next video.